In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online test using Google Forms. Harnessing the functionality and simplicity of Google Forms can be a game changer for educators, trainers, or even businesses aiming to gauge knowledge or collect information seamlessly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Forms. You can do this by simply typing Google Forms into your search bar and clicking on the first result, or going to forms.google.com if you're feeling speedy. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your Google account. If you haven't already got one, it's a quick process to set up and it's absolutely free. Once logged in, you'll see the homepage with a variety of templates. For the purpose of an online test, we will click on the blank template to start fresh. Now, you're at a clean slate. This is where the magic happens. Give your form a title that reflects the test you're setting up. This will not only help you keep organized, but your students or respondents will instantly know what to expect when they open it. Moving on to the description, this is your space to add any necessary instructions your respondents may need. This could include rules for the test, the time they should allocate to complete it, or even a motivating welcome message. Let's dive into adding questions. Click on the first field that says Untitled Question and start typing your question. Google provides a variety of question types such as multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-downs, which are perfect for standard test formats. Select the most appropriate option from the drop-down menu for each question you'd like to create. Utilize the plus icon on the sidebar to add new questions. A little pro tip: you can also add images or videos to questions if you desire to create a more interactive and visually appealing test. Next up, responses. It's crucial to set how test responses are collected and managed. Click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. At this stage, you can link your form to a Google Sheet to store and organize responses automatically, which makes analyzing results much more straightforward. Remember to toggle on the Accepting Responses button, otherwise nobody will be able to submit their answers. Lastly, customize your test settings for optimal efficiency. Tap on the Settings cog in the top right corner. Here you can adjust options like making questions required, shuffling question order, or setting a confirmation message to thank respondents once they've finished. Once all is set, click on the Send button and you're ready to distribute your test. You can share the form link directly through email or post it on platforms your audience frequents. And there you have it. With Google Forms, creating an online test is both simple and effective, opening doors to streamlined assessment and data collection.